Good morning, my dear students. Here is chapter tangent sequence 9.3 fifth problem. Students, this exercise is very important in your main examination point. Total 8 problems are there. In 8 out of 8 problems are very important. All questions are very important. You have to focus each and every question. So, my dear students, here you go. The fifth question. He asking that find the area of the shaded region in figure if ABCD is a square of side 7 centimeter and APD and BPC are semicircles. So my dear students, look at the figure. ABCD is a square. He asking that the square ABCD is a square. Now my dear students, the sides are 7 centimeters. The sides are square means all sides are equal. Sides are 7 centimeter and here look your figure clearly. APD is a semicircle, one semicircle. BPC is the another semicircle. So two semicircles are there. But now what he asking, you just find the shaded region. The inside we have the shaded regions are there. You have to find this only this area but not the entire area. So how you will find? First of all, find the square and remove the two semicircle. Find semicircle and find the square and just subtract it. You will get the shaded region. So my dear students, I always suggest you in any chapter, in all chapter, first of all you have to write what he given. That is a very important. And what you have to consider. That is the next step. So you have to write the consideration and the next step. So first you have to write what he given. And after what you have to take let. So these are the very important steps playing in your mathematics, my dear students. So my dear students, now we are writing here what he given. He given that ABCD is a square. That step on written. And the 7 centimeter was given here. 7 centimeters. And the side of the square is equal to 7 centimeters. So my dear students, next what he given? Semicircles was given. APD and BPC. APD and BPC are semicircles, or two semicircles. Okay, my dear students, are two semicircles. And also what is given? The diameter of the semicircle was given. What is the diameter of semicircle? 7 centimeter was given. Now we have to find radius. So the radius of the semicircle is equal to R is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. So my dear students, now what we have to find? We have to find area of the shaded region. So that is the thing. This is a shaded region you have to find. So that is a step we are writing here. So we have to find, it's a very important step. We have to find that area of the shaded region. So my dear students, let us find first area of the square. Area of the square you have to find. So here given the square. So first find area of the square. We know that S square, S into S is the formula. S means 7 given, 7 into 7, that is a 49 centimeter square. Therefore, area of a square is equal to 49 centimeter square. So my dear students, whenever you got important answer, you just highlight the answer because it is a very important step. It plays important steps in your final result. So that's why you have to highlight. And next what you have to find? Area of the semicircle. So area of the semicircle means this is the semicircle part. Now my dear students, area of the semicircle is equal to half into pi r square. You know the formula already. Half pi r square. So my dear students, look here. I am doing that division part. Half into and pi r square. Pi means 22 by 7. R means 7 into 7. So my dear students, the 7 given, 7 square, here only given. So my dear students, R not 7, 7 by 2 radius. Already we written here radius is 7 by 2. So that is thing we written here. So my dear students, cancel 7, 7 cancel here. And 2 1s are and 2 L1s are. My dear students, anything left is there? Nothing. So we have to write 11 into 7, that is equal to 77 by, in down denominator 2 2s are 4. So that is what we got, 77 by 4. Therefore write down here, therefore area of semicircle is equal to 77 by 4 centimeter square. So that the step we got, my dear students. It is also highlight, my dear students, which points we are thinking important, that highlight the point. So my dear students, and next step, now we have to find area of the shaded region. That is a very important thing. We have to find the shaded region. We did these all things. ఇది రావాలంటే క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ అన్ని చేసుకుంటూ మనం రావాలి. సో ఏమేమి క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేసాము? we did that area of the square and area of two semicircle we have to subtract. Area of the two semicircles and area of the square. Area of the square, what is the answer? 49 centimeter we got, and minus area of two semicircle we need. That's why you write 2 here. We have to write here 2 into 77 by 4. 2 into 77 by 4, because we got each semicircle is 77 by 4. We got each semicircle is 77 by 4. So now we are writing 2 semicircles. So my dear students, here 2 and denominator is 4 will cancel. I am doing the calculation again here. My dear students, 49 minus 2 semicircles into each semicircle. We got 77 by 4. 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar. That is equal to, my dear students, 49 minus 77 by 2. So my dear students, you just do division here, this part. Here I am doing that 77 division to 2. So 2 3 jar 6. 2 3 jar 6. 7 minus 6, we got 1 here. Substitute 17 here. So 2 8 jar 16 here. Again 17 minus 16, 1. Keep decimal, you will take the 0 here. 2 5 jar 10. That means 38.5 we got. We got 38.5. So my dear students, that is equal to 49 minus 38.5 decimal. So my dear students, remember one thing, 38 if you keep here, it becomes a decimal. If you keep in between, it is called multiplication. So decimal, multiplication, lot of difference is there. So 38.5 means you have to keep here. Use this one, decimal. It is the between is called a multiplication. So 38.5 we got, my dear students. So 49 minus 38.5 is equal to 10.5 centimeter square we got. That is 49.00 and 38.50. So my dear students, do subtraction. Here nothing is there means you can borrow 1 from here. 10 minus 5, we will get a 5 here. Here 8 will be there, it becomes 0. And here 4 minus 3, 1. 10.5, that's what we got, 10.5. That is the area of the shaded region. That is called 10.5 centimeter square. That is your final answer, my dear students. Students, very important problem. Remember, this is your expecting your main examination point. You just practice 2 times, my dear students. Right, thank you.